This is the fruit salad I made for my mom in Mother's Day.
How do you make it?
First, you get strawberries and cut them. Then, you get mangoes and cut them. Yeah. Then, you get bananas and cut them. And then you get pineapple and cut them. And then you get 1 cup of grapes. Then you get 2 cups of vanilla yogurt. Then we mix it, and that's how I make it. It's so yummy. Yes, I like it.